Tennessee has enacted a law that would criminalize pregnant women who use drugs during their pregnancy. In fact, if they are convicted of using drugs while they're pregnant, they could be incarcerated. Now, the governor of Tennessee, Bill Haslam, has signed it, and he says that it makes all the sense in the world because he wants to rehabilitate these women. But let me give you the details of what this new law will do in the state of Tennessee. It allows a woman to be prosecuted for assault if she takes a narcotic drug. Focus on that, narcotic drug, not prescription drugs, while pregnant and the baby is born addicted. And I should be clear, by narcotic drug, what I'm trying to say is anything that's considered illegal. So prescription drugs are not included. And the baby is born addicted, is harmed or died because of the drug. The woman can avoid criminal charges if she completes a state treatment program.
So when the governor says that, oh, this is mainly for treatment, well, there was a different way to write the law if it was mainly for treatment. Then you would write that it's only for treatment, right? In reality, this is the first law in the country that specifically says that if you're pregnant, you can be incarcerated for taking these illegal drugs.
Yeah.
Now, of course, this opens up a huge can of worms. What else can you be incarcerated for if you're a woman? And you're doing something quote-unquote wrong during your marriage.
Right. It means that if you are pregnant and anything happens to your baby while you're pregnant, let's say you miscarry, let's say you give birth to a stillborn, authorities and prosecutors can investigate that case and they can assume that you did something wrong, right? And so right now the bill specifically talks about narcotics and specifically illegal narcotics, but I mean, I see this as a really big slippery slope. You don't want to criminalize women who have an addiction. You want to help them. You do want to rehabilitate them, right? Putting them behind bars doesn't make any sense. Another thing to take into consideration is that only 2 of Tennessee's 177 addiction treatment facilities provide on-site prenatal care and allow older children to stay with their mothers. So you don't even have the necessary facilities available to rehabilitate the women. This is just a way of funneling them into the prison system.
And think about that for a second. If you got other kids, or almost in any situation, if now they've made it illegal and you can go to jail for it, do you think you're going to seek help so that you can get better during your pregnancy?
Hell no.
No way. No way you're going to report that. And the thing that's most likely to happen to you if you report it is that you will be sent away. You're going to go to prison. You think they're going to be soft on you in the state of Tennessee? You think they're going to say, oh, well, the governor said we should try rehabilitation, as he passed a law that said the opposite, which is that we should put your ass in prison, right? So in order to get you treatment, sure. Yeah. So people are going to run away. They're not going to report it. They're not going to get help. It's only going to make the situation worse.
So there are 2 issues that are at play, in my opinion. And of course, the first issue is right-wing zealots, people who believe that a zygote is considered life. It's life at the moment of conception. So they criminalize a woman. They destroy her life in the process of protecting, a fetus. And then the other thing, which I think it's to a lesser degree, but it could play a role, I want to bring it up, is the whole private prison issue. In Tennessee, they have 3 private prisons that are run by Corrections Corporation of America. And usually when you see tough on crime legislation being passed, it's because it's from the backing of GEO Group or Corrections Corporation of America. They want more people funneled into the prison system.
So they're running out of people to imprison, so they're like, let's go after mothers. So, and think about that, even before the slippery slope, as Anna mentioned, now if anything goes wrong in your pregnancy, they're going to investigate you. Now, did you do drugs? Maybe, but often, great majority of the time, you didn't, right? But they got to look into it because it's a crime, if you did. And with that, even early on when it's a zygote, fetus, whatever it happens to be, sorry, it's just as much of a life that they think as any other life. And so and by the way, if you think about it, and then you go to the next step of this, you go to the slippery slope. Hey, now if you endanger that life by taking narcotic drugs, how about if you drank a lot of alcohol?
I have a list of things that pregnant women aren't supposed to do or should avoid doing. They're supposed to avoid tobacco, understandably so. But by the way, this law doesn't even cover tobacco or alcohol. Caffeine, sushi, or raw foods in general, saunas and hot tubs for an extended period of time, vitamin A supplements, chemicals including hair dye, nail salons, pesticides, cat litter. I mean, is it going to turn into a situation where a woman's going to be investigated for all of these activities in the future?
Yeah, I mean, look, then you start the investigation looking for narcotics, but you say, oh, it turns out it wasn't narcotics, but she kept going to the nail salon and eating sushi, and she's got a cat. And that's a lot of way endangering that incredibly important zygote. So we're going to have to hold you responsible. And look, even if you think forget us dismissively calling it a zygote. You would think it's a fetus, it's this, it's that. You can't start opening investigations on women who had miscarriages or who have babies who are born with issues and then put them under a microscope for everything they did while they were pregnant. It's a disastrous idea. I mean, if you're a woman, are you comfortable with that? They're going to pick you apart if something goes wrong in your pregnancy and blame it on you, and in some cases even put you in prison for it? And by the way, if they want to encourage people to have more kids, which is supposed to be ultimately religiously the whole point of this, we need more Israelites to fight the Canaanites and the Philistines. That's why God wanted you to multiply so that he could have a bigger army and kick the ass of the Canaanites' God, right? And by the way, in the Bible, we always talk about single God, single. No, there's actually, if you read the Old Testament, there are many gods. In fact, in one portion of the Bible, our God loses to another God. Then why aren't we praying to that guy? Okay, anyway, that's why he wanted you to have a lot of kids. But now if you're going to pick apart all their pregnancy, you think that encourages people having kids? I mean, if I was a woman, I'd be scared to death of getting pregnant and then being held liable for everything I did during my pregnancy.